Hello, how are you?
Doing well, how about you?
Dude, where were you busy?
Oh, I was just caught up with some work. What's up?
Come on, let's have some fun.
Let's go. What's the plan?
What's the plan for today's party?
We're having dinner first, and then there'll be music and dancing.
Brother, when will you give me a treat?
Whenever you're free, just let me know.
Dude, did you watch the new more of Rajkumar?
Not yet, but I'm planning to. How was it?
How is that new restaurant? Come, let's try it.
Yeah, I've been wanting to try it too. Let's go today.
Bro, how is your girlfriend?
She's awesome. We've been spending a lot of time together.
There is a lot of tension, I don't know what to do.
That sounds tough. Maybe I can help. Let's talk it through.
What's the scene of college today? Should we bunk?
Not today, maybe some other time.
Brother, why do you always crack such lame jokes?
I crack better jokes than you.
Shah Rukh Khan's new movie has been released, would you like to watch it with me?
No, man, I have a lot of work today.
Brother, what do you say, who will win the 20-20 cricket match?
I think India will win.
Friend, I am going to join the gym tomorrow, you also come.
I don't have time to go to the gym.
Brother, what's going on between you and that girl?
Nothing at all, man.
Haven't you heard that new song yet?
I've heard, man, it's good.
Come on, let's play a round of PUBG.
No, man, my phone isn't charged.
Man, how is that new web series? I have heard its reviews are very good.
I don't know, man, I haven't seen it yet.
Your dress looks beautiful, where did you get it from?
Really, I bought it from Raj's shop.
Let's go on a road trip somewhere on the weekend.
Alright, you tell me where to go.
There is a surprise for you, be ready.
What kind of surprise?
You saw that meme, it was fun, man.
Yes, it was really very funny.
You haven't seen that viral video yet.
Which viral video are you talking about?
Brother, I need some money, can you lend me some money?
Tell me how much is needed.
Brother, what time did you wake up this morning?
About 6 o'clock.
Come on, let's go shopping together today.
Alright, brother.
Dude, I want to learn guitar.
When did you develop an interest in guitar?
How is the food of that new restaurant? Have you tried it?
Yes, I went there one day, they have good food there.
Bro, Virat's performance was amazing yesterday, it was fun watching him.
You said right, brother.
What is your plan for the weekend?
I haven't thought of anything yet.
Dude, have you seen Rohit's new gadget? How cool is that?
Yeah, buddy, it's an amazing gadget.
Bro, you have that new meme, please forward me.
Yes, it is. I'll send it right now.
I have to make a presentation, please help me.
Sure, what is the topic of your presentation?
Did you see that new movie's trailer? It's amazing, man.
No, I haven't watched it yet.
You are making me bored now, tell me something new.
Are you finding my conversations boring? Don't talk to me after today.
What is your plan for vacation this time?
I'm thinking of traveling to Nepal.
So brother, when are you getting married?
Man, I still haven't found a good girl whom I can marry.
Brother, not today. Today is Chennai's match, I will not go anywhere.
Is there a match for Chennai today? I wasn't even aware of it.
You haven't seen that series yet.
No, man.
Bro, tell me the password for Netflix.
I'm sorry, but I can't help with that.
Bro, how was your date with that girl?
It wasn't very good, but it was still okay.
Today there is a plan for a movie night at my house, all my friends are coming, you also come.
Sure, I will definitely come.
Bro, haven't you tried that viral challenge yet?
Which viral challenge?
Brothers, where are we planning to party on the weekend?
Shall we all go to Goa?
Brother, the time of IPL is the best time of the year for me.
Rightly said, for me too.
Brother, This time let all our friends together make a plan for Manali.
But why Manali?
Dude, you both look great together.
Thanks. We appreciate the compliment.
Meet your girlfriend later, first come with us.
Sure, I'll join you first and then catch up with my girlfriend later.
You haven't shared that meme with me yet.
Sorry, I forgot.
Dude, I want to watch that series but it has many seasons.
Maybe you could start with one season and see how you like it.
Let's all go to watch a movie together today.
Has any new movie been released?
Come on, let's play game together.
Sure, sounds fun. Let's do it.
Dude, I want to post a photo on Instagram. What should I write in the caption?
What's the theme of your picture?
Dude, you don't have fashion sense at all.
Look brother, everyone has their own style.
Brother, your sense of humor is amazing. You should go for stand-up comedy.
Thanks, man. I didn't even know that I'm so good at doing comedy.
Have you bought a new video game?
Yeah, but how did you know?
Brother, is there any progress between you and that girl?
No, man, not right now. I'm feeling scared.
Come on, let's go on a bike ride on the highway once again.
Sounds tempting, but I'm not sure right now. Maybe we can plan it for another time.
Bro, I'm not in the mood to talk now. I will talk to you later.
No worries. Take your time, and I'll be here whenever you're ready to chat.
Do you know how many million views are there on that new music video?
Are you serious? Million views.
Man, I don't think that you can impress that girl.
But why? Why do you think so?
Come on, let's order pizza for dinner tonight.
You already know I don't like pizza.
Brother, Arijit Singh is a wonderful singer. He makes amazing.
You're right, he's an amazing singer.
Bro, give me some good movie recommendations.
Watch Shah Rukh Khan's new movie, Dilwale.
Friend, I want to lose weight. What should I do?
Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and avoid sugary drinks.
Hey, have you finished the homework for science class?
Yeah, I finished it last night. What about you?
I'm still working on it. I got stuck on the part about the water cycle.
Oh, that part was tricky for me too. I can explain it if you want.
Hi, I'm Suman. What's your name?
Hey, Suman, I'm Raj. Nice to meet you. Which class are you in?
I'm in 9th grade. What about you?
Same here.
What's your favorite subject?
I like science a lot. How about you?
I enjoy art, but science is fun too. Maybe you can show me the science lab sometime.
Sure, I'd be happy to. Welcome to the school, Komal.